Thomas and Friends Minis. Ready, Set, Build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minis. Are you ready? Set, build! Hello there! The engines are very glad you're here. They have a super special job for you. It's up to you to build them a fun-filled, action-packed world. A working engine is a happy engine. What's that? It's a golden gear. Extend your tracks so that Thomas can... The green shelf is where the basic tracks are stored. Use these blocks to build a path to the golden gear. Splendid! You found a golden gear! Do you see the surprise bag up there at the top of the screen? If you collect